Hello guys, good morning. This is Sir Ferns again, and today we're going to unbox my new parcel. Kahapon lang po ito dumating and we're going to unbox this. Also, pasensya na po sa shirt ko. Ito lang po nakuha ko doon sa cabinet namin. Nilang mainit, ito lang nasuot natin. So now let's talk about first this parcel. You know what, before I start doing the videos, making short vlogs, I was already thinking na baka or pwede akong gumamit nung mic pang vlog, you know, because when I doing editing sa video, nag-voice over talaga ako, but this time I'll be using this microphone. I think you already have an idea what's inside of this. Let's unbox this together. Ilang days na din ito sa akin. Hindi ko lang binuksan kasi I was waiting na mag day off. So I think this is the time where bubuksan natin itong actually excited ako kasi ilang days na doon sa akin. So I think maganda itong gamitin. So ito po siya. As you can see, so yes, this one, I only get one microphone lang since ako na naman gagamit, you know. You can see, yes, meron na tayong mga gamit for videos natin. So ito na siya. Tingnan natin sa loob kung anong yung itsura niya. Sana maganda. Sana hindi lang ano siya. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Ito na po siya. Yes. So ito na po siya. It comes with one microphone, as you can see. Yes, hello. Hello. Hindi pa, wala pa. So hinilagay natin dito, kinakabit. Yes. It also comes with ito din. Yes. Inalagay ito sa port or charger port sa ilalim ng ating phones para ma-connect natin yung this one and also yung mic niya. I don't know kung charge ba to or what, pero ito po siya. Yes, meron tayong charging wire for charging. Yes, ito po siya. Type C na din para ma-charge natin yung microphone. I think, yeah, kinakabit lang, kinoconnect lang naman to siya. Okay, so now let's try it kung gagana ba siya, tapos if may enhance ba yung voice natin. Of course, it comes also with the manual kung hindi natin alam paano gamitin. So read lang mo tayo dito how to use. Pero sa akin, alam ko naman to. Charot. So this is my normal voice without the mic. So let's try it kung ano if ma-enhance ba yung voice natin. Okay? So let's try it. Ito na po siya yung voice natin kapag mayroong microphone na. Rinig ba? Rinig. Yes. Meron tayong mga gamit. Ito po siya. So if you want to avail, kindly click the link po nag-promote. So here we go. Meron na po tayong mic para mga gamit natin for our videos. Also comes with this parang fur. I don't know what's the purpose of this, pero ito po siya. I hope it's clear na. Hello. Test mic test 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yes, ito na po siya. So this is just a short video for everyone. I hope you still enjoy it and see you again soon. Bye.